Listen to that. Perfect clarity. Now, picture it sinking. Their marketing says, waterproof. The ads show pools and beaches. But what happens when the party gets real? When a speaker takes a 5-foot dive into a murky lake, or gets buried in sand? In 2026, waterproof is the most lied about term in tech. I didn't just read the IP ratings. I created a disaster zone for speakers. Some died instantly. Others, well, what you're hearing right now is one that survived the impossible. Let's get wet. Number 1. Turtlebox Original Gen 3. The Turtlebox Original speaker is expertly designed to withstand the most challenging and rugged environments, ensuring it can handle drops, crushes, and dust exposure with ease, making it an essential companion for outdoor enthusiasts. This speaker is constructed with premium materials that provide it with a robust durability, allowing you to take it on adventures without worrying about potential damage. With an impressive IP67 waterproof rating, the Turtlebox Original offers unparalleled protection against water, making it suitable for a variety of environments. Whether you're lounging by the pool, enjoying a sunny day at the beach, or facing unexpected rain showers, this speaker guarantees that your music will keep playing uninterrupted. Its ability to remain fully functional in both fresh and salt water adds an extra level of versatility, catering to all your aquatic activities. Number 2. Portable Bluetooth speaker. Bring the party to life with an impressive 240W of booming sound that delivers not just deep, punchy bass, but also crystal clear highs. This makes it perfect for outdoor parties and indoor gatherings, ensuring that every event where music takes center stage transforms into an unforgettable experience. Whether it's a backyard barbecue, a beach party, or a cozy get-together at home, this speaker is designed to enhance the atmosphere with its powerful audio output. Designed with a dynamic LED light show, this speaker features a sleek and modern design that not only sounds incredible but also looks visually stunning. The multicolor LED lights have the ability to synchronize with your music, creating an immersive club-like atmosphere that elevates the energy of your event and keeps the excitement alive throughout the night. The visual spectacle complements the audio experience, making it an ideal choice for any celebration. Number 3. Soundcore Boom 2 by Anker. Feel the sheer power of the bass resonating through every note and beat of your favorite songs, all thanks to a state-of-the-art racetrack subwoofer that not only amplifies depth but also enhances clarity. This advanced technology ensures that even the most intricate audio details are brought to life. Additionally, with the innovative Bass Up 2.0 feature, users have the incredible ability to fine-tune the bass EQ settings to their personal preference, raising the output from an impressive 60W to an astonishing maximum of 80W. When it comes to audio fidelity, the 2.1 stereo system stands out, incorporating a robust 50W racetrack subwoofer paired with dual 15W tweeters. This combination delivers not just deep, thumping bass, but also crisp, clear highs, meticulously balanced through smart crossover technology. This sophisticated setup crafts an immersive audio experience, allowing listeners to enjoy their music exactly as the artist intended. Number 4. Bose SoundLink Plus. The SoundLink Plus portable speaker is designed to enhance the energy of any gathering with its impressive sound quality. It delivers bold, resonant audio and powerful bass, ensuring that your music is dynamic and engaging, making it perfect for parties, outdoor activities, or simply enjoying your favorite tunes. Its compact design allows for easy transport. Whether you're placing it in a backpack or a gym bag, you can easily take it with you wherever you go. The added carry-in loop ensures that you can easily hang onto your music while you move. This speaker is built to last, featuring a durable exterior that is ready for any adventure. It is rated with an IP67 waterproof and dustproof certification, meaning it can withstand various weather conditions and is resistant to dust, making it an ideal choice for outdoor use. Moreover, its design stands up to minor accidents, whether it's fumbles, tumbles, or falls, ensuring that your speaker stays functional and safe. Number 5. Large Bluetooth speaker. This 240W peak power Bluetooth speaker is designed with a professional acoustic structure that combines 2 subwoofers and 1 tweeter, optimizing sound performance for an exceptional audio experience. The dual subwoofer units are engineered to provide powerful sound output, delivering deep, rich low-frequency impacts that can be felt and heard, making it ideal for bass-heavy music genres. Meanwhile, the independent tweeter unit is specialized in producing clear and transparent sound details, ensuring that every note and lyric is articulated beautifully. This combination results in an immersive listening experience that transports you into the heart of the performance, as if you were actually there at the live event. In addition to its impressive sound capabilities, the speaker features a dynamic RGB lighting system that boasts 9 different lighting modes. This system is engineered to pulse in real time with the rhythm of your music, creating a visually stunning accompaniment to your audio experience. Users can choose from multiple colors and lighting effects, which can be easily adjusted and switched to fit the mood of any gathering. And there you have it, the survivors. The truth about what waterproof really means in 2026. So, which one are you taking to your next adventure? Argue your pick in the comments. If this brutal, splashy testing saved you from buying a dud, do the single most helpful thing you can do: hit that like button. It tells YouTube this is real. Share this with your squad for your next trip. And subscribe, tap the bell, because next week, we're freezing a smartwatch in a block of ice. All the links to buy the rugged, proven survivors from this video are organized and waiting in the description below. Go make a splash.